Got it? You got it? Recording?
Yeah.
Why are you recording baby have a hiccup?
Yeah.
Yeah? You record baby Giuliana? You got her? Are you sure? Yeah. Well, don't move it so much so everybody can see. You say it now. You narrate it. You say it. Say, this is my baby sister Giuliana hiccuping. Say it. Oh my God. Don't cover your hand. Okay, say it. Okay, say it. Say, this is my baby sister Giuliana.
This is my baby sister Giuliana.
And she is burping.
So her puppy.
Oh, she got hiccup.
Oh, yeah, hiccup.
Okay, say it again.
So this is her
Oh, don't cover. Okay, yep. Okay.
baby Giuliana. And her hiccup up.
She got hiccup.
Say it again. One more time. Hurry up.
No.
You missed it. You said ick up. It's a hick up. Hiccup. Yeah. You want Y to say it? No, you want Levi to say it? Okay, you say it one more time. We'll let Levi say it.
No.
Okay, just say. I'll help you. This is my baby sister. This is my baby sister Giuliana. And she has hiccup. Like that. Okay, say it. No? You're done? Okay. Well then let Levi